আমি লিভ করলাম।
হ্যাঁ অবশ্যই।
ওকে ওকে, ক্যারি অন।
So I think you guys are having the data set I sent in the WhatsApp group. Just download that and see the data set. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You guys have downloaded the dataset?
Yes, sir.
Just have a look and tell me what you can understand from the dataset.
Sir, according to year and selling price, we can see that the owner is second owner or first owner.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So based on the owner, based on the fuel type, based on how much kilometer it was driven, uh, you have to predict the selling price based on all the data variables. You have to predict the selling price.
Okay, sir.
Now open your editors. that data set is huge, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Should I send a smaller data set? When there are three different data sets, okay, regarding the same problem. For now, you can read this smaller data set. There is another data set apart from these two. So right now, what you guys have to do, you have to read the card data.csv through pandas. Last day you did multiple linear regression where each and every variable was numerical variable, right? Now here some of the variables are non-numeric, correct? Are you guys done with reading the dataset through pandas?
Sir, new data সেটটায় সেলিং প্রাইস অ্যান্ড প্রেজেন্ট প্রাইসটার হলো ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ভ্যারিয়েবল আর মানে না সেলিং প্রাইসটা কি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ভ্যারিয়েবল মানে
Selling price you have to predict. That means it becomes dependent variable.
ইয়েস স্যার সরি ওকে
Rest of the rest of the variables are independent variable.
স্যার
Yes, sir. It's done.
ইয়েস স্যার
Done.
রিড করা হয়
Done reading?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many variables you have in your dataset that are non-numeric?
5.
5. Now, name column is not that much important here. All you need is year, selling price, present price, kilometers driven, fuel type, seller type, transmission, and owner, right?
Kilometers driven. Sir, there is no transmission column.
That car name column is not needed, so you can drop that column. How to drop a column? df.drop columns equal to that particular column. Here is car underscore name, and in place equal to true. uh, Here columns
What is the use of this?
This is to drop the column. This delete the column.
I didn't hear it. Please, can you repeat?
the car name column is not much needed.
Oh,
All you need the rest of the columns. So that is why you need to drop or delete the car name column.
also, we can do that df dot describe. Then only the variables will be shown.
df.describe.
df dot describe. Then it shows only the variable which are needed.
No, df.describe will show you the statistics of your dataset. That's it. It will show you what is the minimum value, but your whole dataset should be numerical. Otherwise, there is no use of df.describe. From df.describe, you can get minimum, maximum value, how many values are there, what is the mean value, right?
Yes.
Are you guys doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Start. Yes, sir.
All right. Now I can see after dropping this column, these are the rest of the columns. This is my target variable, which is numeric already, no problem. Now year, I'll come to these later. First year. So create another column. Let's take car age or age, simply age. What you have to do here, df of age, that means you're creating another column, creating a new column. Current year minus whatever year it has. So what is the column name there? Year, right? This is the year it got manufactured, or the owner may be purchased. This is the year. Okay, that means we have to get the age of the car. So year, just do this one.
Yes, sir, did.
Now your year column is useless now because you got age already. Okay, first of all confirm it, df.head, whether you actually have created the age column or not. Just confirm it.
Yes, sir.
Now again drop the year column. There is no use of year column then. Drop it.
Did, sir.
All of you are doing?
Yes, sir.
Now check whether there is any null value or not.
No, sir.
Fine. Now let's create another data frame, that is df1 equal to df dot copy. Okay, don't do like this, df1 equal to df. I know it's very simple, but the thing is, here whatever you make, whatever you change in df1, that will directly affect df. So that is why always use the copy function to copy any data frame. So if you make some changes in df1, that will not affect the df.
Sir, can you scroll up a little bit, please?
Sure. Which one?
Yes, sir, this one. Sir, KMS driven ওই কোডটা।
It's driven
Yes, sir.
This null value checking.
अच्छा, okay, sir.
Fine. Now you have copied, no problem. Now you have three columns which are having non-numeric data, right? Non-numeric values, correct? Manual,
Yes, sir.
dealer, petrol, diesel. Let's check how many unique values they have. First, check DF of fuel type. How many unique values are there?
No, sir.
So, petrol, diesel, and CNG.
স্যার আমরা DF1 টায় কপি কেন করে রাখলাম?
Yes, sir.
স্যার একটু
Is
স্ক্রল আপ
actually
করবেন
DF1.
উপরে
Now
আরেকটু
we are
আরেকটু
dealing with DF1 only, okay? Not DF.
ব্যাস 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 ব্যাস
স্যার দ্যাট মিন্স কি যাতে যদি কোনো কিছু চেঞ্জেস হয় তাহলে সেটা ডিএফ এ থাকবে, আমার মেইন ডেটা সেটটা কি তাহলে একদম যেরকম ছিল সেরকমই থাকবে, সেই জন্য কি ডিএফ এ কপি করলাম?
DF is my main data set, okay?
সেটাতে আমরা কোনো
Yeah.
চেঞ্জেস করতে চাইছি না,
Huh.
ওয়ার্ক করার সময় ডিএফ1 এ আমরা করছি, এর জন্যই তো।
Yes. We don't want to change our original data frame, so that is why we just copied it.
ওকে স্যার,
Made some copy and we'll make some changes in the copied version, not the original version.
ইয়েস স্যার, ওকে স্যার।
ওকে স্যার ডান।
This is df1 of fuel type dot unique. Now time to see. Yes, I got to know that there are unique values like petrol, diesel, and CNG. How many are there? Like how many petrol vehicles are there? df1 of, again, fuel type dot value underscore counts. So there are 239 vehicles with petrol, 60 with diesel, and only 2 for CNG. Now compared to other numbers, 2 is very negligible number, right? Very negligible number. If you have any data with very negligible frequency, then you can remove that data. Means negligible means, let's suppose 1, 2, or 3 only. You can do that manually. You don't need machine learning for that. You can drop that. So df1 equal to
স্যার ওই 141 লাইনে আমার একটু এরর আসছে।
41 এখানে
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
show me the screenshot.
নেম ভ্যালু কাউন্টস ইজ নট ডিফাইন্ড বলছে।
Show me.
ইয়েস স্যার। স্যার সেন্ড ইট।
স্যার এখানে কি
Did you use comma there before
Yes,
value?
sir.
Did you use comma?
Oh, yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Yeah, who was saying something?
Yes, sir, this command means that inside df1 df fuel type is changed to cng fuel type cng is omitted.
Yes. Whenever I am going to take the data from the field type which are not equal to CNG. I'm going to take only those data, only those values.
Sir, here why we have
Sorry,
still
this
using
one
in the
actually
df.
DF1. Sorry, this one DF1. Yeah. Tell me.
That's what I say.
Yeah, yeah. Sure. Now here only we
Sir,
are going
can
to
you
use the
repeat
DF1.
the last part?
Yeah. Here we are going to take the values from this column which are not equal to CNG. This field type column is having petrol, diesel and CNG, right? These type of values, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I am going to take those values which are not equal to CNG.
Okay, sir.
The second check the value counts. Now CNG is omitted.
Sir,
Yes.
in the CNG purpose, that giving me the error that invalid syntax. I have sent you the SS. Just check it, sir.
Okay.
DF1 is equal to DF1. That line. I'm getting error. Sir,
Yes.
now it's okay, sir. I made a mistake. So it's been recognized, sir. It's done.
What was the mistake?
Sir, what I said, the invited comma, I couldn't complete it.
Inverted
I
comma, yes. Yes, for fuel type, right?
Yes, sir, for fuel type. I have missed it, sir.
Now we are going to encode. We are going to encode these non-numeric values to numeric values. So first of all, fuel type, I'm going to copy and paste the column names so that no error would happen. Before that,
It's a
it is,
dummy sticky.
yeah, dummies, it will actually convert these non-numeric values to numeric values. This is dummies, dummy values. So before that, I'm going to check how many unique values they have. DF of seller type dot unique.
Sir, you missed the E for seller type.
Yeah, thank you. Let's not do the unique only, just directly do the value counts. Yes, dealer and individual, the numbers are given here. How many, what is the frequency of each one? Sorry, this one DF1, the DF1. Transmission, manual and automatic. Fine.
Is that a DF1 however?
No, I just printed this one to check. I mean, so that you guys can understand what has happened. So in the fuel type, there were diesel and petrol, right? Correct.
Yes, sir. Can you
Yes,
scroll
yes.
up a little bit, sir? Yeah, that's okay.
It's completed, then let me know.
Sir, can you just scroll once where you did the coding for removing year and the car name once? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Sir, can you scroll down once?
Okay, sir. Fine. Sir, that coding for not removing year and car name is not
Oh,
working, sir. I'll just give you once.
Okay.
Sir, I am getting an error in the last one.
This one, get dummies.
Yes. Yes.
Uh, okay.
Yes, sir.
pd dot get underscore dummies. And column names you have to mention properly.
So when you create a dummy line, it's automatically take 0 and 1 value for two attributes.
Sorry, can you come again?
Sir, I'm asking that we are not giving the input that 0 and 2, 0 and 1. So it's automatically taken that 0 and 1 for different like diesel and petrol. One is for 0, one is for 1. It's automatically been taken when we are just giving the dummy line input.
See, in the first row, petrol has occurred, right?
Yes, sir.
So petrol will have 1. See, fuel type petrol, 1. Second row, diesel has occurred. So that is why in the second row, for diesel, it would be 1. And petrol would be 0. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like
Has been
this.
separated column been created.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I've sent you my error. Please check once.
Sir, I have also sent you mine.
D dot drop columns. Okay, car name and year.
It's showing, sir, equal to, near equal to. That's
So
invalid.
why did you mention dot in place?
Sir, I have mentioning a comma in place also, then also it's coming error.
Yeah, so remove the dot into and replace with comma.
Okay,
Remove
okay,
the
sir.
dot and replace with comma. Card name and year. Okay.
Sir, now new error is showing, sir. 1 minute.
Sir, I have also sent you a screenshot.
Yeah, I'll come to you. Card name. Six. Okay. Who is this person? You just uh, re-execute the data. I mean, means re-execute from where you read the data. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
And just then let me know.
Sir, did you check the screenshot that I did send you?
Yes, yes. I'm checking that one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can you show me the full error? The error portion means the error
Yes, sir.
message.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, sent.
স্যার পুরোটা প্রথম থেকে রান করালে তারপরে আসছে।
Okay. Guys, please just re-execute your code. Means from where you copied your data frame, and this is yes, okay. Whoever is this person, last
Yes,
number
sir.
727. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, and now it's working. It's not showing the error anymore after re-executing.
Udita, right? Yeah.
Sir, that one is not working. DF drop column, Karnam here.
Still not working after re-executing.
No, sir. It's saying that it's not found in axis. Should I have to? We have to mention that which in which axis is this card name and year is present.
That you could mention, but there is no need to mention though.
Yes, sir.
same error, no?
Yes, sir. Same. It says that card name not found in Axis. Sir,
I
if it
guess,
is, yeah, it says Aditya.
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
so I guess if he runs from the file path where he imported the file path, then this error can be solved.
I'm using Google Colab, so I just uploaded that from directly.
Yes, then you can run from that particular block. Try if it works. Then
Sir, okay, sir. After the class, I'll send you the whole Google Colab code, so then you can check once.
One second. The session is going. It is getting recorded, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same. Uh, did you re-execute from where you created the data frame through pandas? Did you re-execute from there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is actually happening? Okay, fine. So similar to dealer also, wherever seller type equal to dealer means similar to seller type also, wherever seller type equal to dealer, there is one, and seller type has another one, that is individual. Wherever individual may happen, there you can find one, and the dealer would be zero. Like here, fuel type, we got petrol in the first row, so for petrol it is only 1, for diesel it is 0. There are only two values present in fuel type column, petrol and diesel. So it will create only two different columns. So wherever petrol occurs, there petrol would be 1. Wherever diesel occurs, diesel would be 1. Similarly, for seller type also, wherever dealer occurs, dealer would be 1. Wherever individual occurs, individual would be 1. Transmission, automatic and manual, the same. Now time to create X and Y. Tell me what could be the code. X equal to, someone please tell me.
Sir, df dot
df.ilog.
ilog.
df dot ilog, fine. Then selling price is my target variable, and these all are, excluding selling price, these all are my predictor variables. Now tell me, what should I do here?
So X should be predicted value or
Predictor
Y?
value. Predictor value.
Predictor value.
Colon comma 0.
So, co. Sir, for X, it would be 1 colon 1 colon comma colon, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This is it.
I hope so, sir.
So you are not considering the zeroth row. That means you're considering from
Uh,
1.
yes, sir. Sir, selling price will be for Y.
This parameter or this argument before comma is for how many rows you want. Here you are mentioning that we want rows from index position 1. That means you are not considering the zeroth row. Correct.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Sir,
That means
So,
you
It
have
will be
to.
sir,
only
is there
column.
nothing था?
Yes.
okay. Yes, sir.
Now this one. Tell me how many columns you want. Which columns?
So from 2 to 7.
From 2 to 7.
From 3 to 7, sir.
From 3 to 7. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. From
This is
fuel type
0, 1, 2. From 2 to 7, sir. From
0, 1,
present
2.
price. From present price to age.
So present price is at 1. Selling price is at 0.
Okay, sir.
1:8.
1 colon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 colon 8. Correct. Now let's confirm it. Yes. Done. Let's create Y. Y should be which one?
So y should be
Colon comma 1.
colon
Colon
comma
comma 0.
0, sir. 0.
Oh, sir.
So let's check Y. Yes, selling price. Fine. Now time for X train Y train, correct? So X train, then
X test, sir.
then
Y chain, Y test.
X comma Y. Test size equal to, I'm going to take 0.25. Random state, let's take 0. Fine. Now time to build the model. From sklearn dot linear model import linear regression, right?
Yes, sir.
Model equal to linear regression.
স্যার একবার স্কেলারের ফাংশনটা ট্রেন স্পিড ট্রেন আর টেস্টের ফাংশনটা একটু বলে দেন।
So here we are going to create, we are going to actually split our data set into train and test. So test size should be 0.25. That means 25% of the whole data set should go for test size, test set, and the remaining 75 go for training set. Why do you need the training set and test set? Somebody please answer.
With the training data set, we are training the machine, and with the test data set, we are testing whether the machine has learned or not.
So we are going to actually check the performance. Machine has definitely learned, but
Sir, the performance,
yeah,
yeah.
So
performance.
we are going to mostly split the data for random collection. That's why
Yes.
we are splitting it.
But no, we are splitting it into training and test set. Train
Yes.
and test set. And this test set is being created random basis. Okay,
Okay.
randomly it will be created. This 25% will be selected randomly. Model equal to linear regression model dot fit on what?
Answer x underscore train and y train, x train, y train.
X train, Y train. It's showing something. Petrol could not convert string into float. Okay, petrol. Alright.
Here we have to import numpy.
Keep doing this mistake. DF1. No need of numpy then. If it is not showing any error, no need of numpy. NumPy is optional. Okay, you can convert your data frame into NumPy array or you may not. It's your choice. Obviously, it is better to actually convert into NumPy array, but if it is not showing any error, then it's fine. Now model dot predict, time to predict on what?
X test.
X state, sir.
Correct. And I am going to store this result into white frame.
স্যার এরর দেখালে কি করতে হবে একটু বলুন।
If it shows error, then it would show you some reshape you have to do. Then you just have to do here np dot array, np for numpy, array of this one dot reshape, not this one actually, sorry, not this one. You have to do x train and x test. X train equal to np dot array of x train dot reshape minus 1 comma 1 and x test should be np dot array of x test dot reshape minus 1 comma 1. This one you have to do.
Sir, by reshaping we are just converting the data into one dimensional, but Means why this kind of problem arises that does machine on can read only one dimensional data?
Sometimes it may happen that that do you guys know matrix multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Matrix multiplication.
Yes, sir. My matrix
Yeah.
multiplication.
Can you perform matrix multiplication between these two matrices? What is the dimension of these matrices?
Into
2 by 3.
by 3.
So 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 matrix. Is it possible matrix multiplication?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. No,
Why?
sir.
These two should be common, right? So that means with 2 by 3 matrix, 3 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrix is possible. Matrix multiplication. Correct. Now these two are common. That means I need the second matrix as 3 by 2. So I'll remove this one. Now it's possible, right?
Yes, sir.
Because the matrix multiplication will happen like this: row and here column. Correct. Similarly, your y is like something like this. So your x should be something like this. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
then only matrix multiplication possible. This is the reason sometimes it actually shows you some error that you need to reshape it, because initially you have both as y is equal to that one and x is equal to this one. 1 comma 2 comma 3. That is why sometimes it actually creates some error. Okay, so you need to reshape it. Not all the time. Based on data distribution, it depends on a lot of factors. Clear?
Yes.
So I got y bread, no problem. Now, somebody please tell me how to check the performance. How to check the performance?
Root mean squared error.
Yes. Tell me the code if you have opened.
Print.
What?
Print, sir.
We have to print
So,
it.
yeah, print.
Uh, Inverted comma.
Okay.
Then root mean squared error. NP sqrt. NP dot sqrt.
SQRT. So for that I need to import the numpy. SQRT
Matrix dot mean
fix dot mean
underscore
absolute
squared
mean square error. Right? Yeah, sorry.
squared
Mean
error
square error of
y test and y
out
pred.
test and white thread. Your mean value for selling price is 4.66.
Sir, I will send you a picture of where I am getting at linear regression model.
স্যার RMSE এর ভ্যালুটা আমার ডিফারেন্ট এলো একটু, অসুবিধা নেই?
Maybe different.
2.625 something.
162. Okay.
স্যার ওয়াইপ রেডের এটা একটু নিয়ে যাবেন ওপর দিকে। স্যার এইগুলো না আমার ইয়ার গুলো দেখাচ্ছে এখানে, যেহেতু ওটা আমি করতে পারিনি, ওটা এক্সিকিউট হয়নি আগের বারে, ওই ইয়ারটা সরানো যায়নি বলে মনে হচ্ছে ইয়ার গুলো এখানে চলে এসছে দেখাচ্ছে অ্যারেতে।
Fine, later you can re-execute your code.
ওকে স্যার।
Now this is Aditya, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Aditya, I mean, did you execute the cell which is consisting of xten equal to np dot array, xtest equal to np dot array?
Yes, sir.
But I didn't tell you to do that.
Pardon, sir.
I didn't tell you to do that.
But without that, also error is coming.
So, okay. So did you take numpy here as well, x and y?
No, sir. No, 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 sir.
Not getting error then. Everybody is getting error.
Sir,
No, sir.
from
No,
starting,
sir.
I was getting error, but when I executed all the code from starting, then I didn't get the error. But initially, I got the error, so I
Oh,
re
here, while
opened the program
fitting the
from starting.
model, anyone else getting any error?
No, sir.
Okay, Aditya, just re-execute from here, x and y. Okay, and don't do that numpy array.
Okay.
স্যার আমার একটা প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, একটু স্ক্রিনশট পাঠিয়েছি, দেখবেন?
Sure. Standard scalar S is capital. Both the S's are capital.
ওকে স্যার।
So why is it showing a warning?
Warning is okay. Sometimes
So that's not an error, right?
no, that's not an error. Okay. Guys, in this case, we are going to consider the mean absolute error, not the root mean square error. There are three different techniques to evaluate your model. Alright, 1 second. I will just show you. Here it is. Yep. Mean absolute error, mean square error, and root mean square error. Okay. Mean absolute error means actual minus predicted, and that's it. Actual minus predicted and the mean value of the error. Mean square error, when your error is very negligible, that you can't even consider. In that case, you can square up your error, like actual minus predicted, then square of it. And again, the mean value of it. And the last one you guys know, square of it, then again root over of it.
Sir, can you show from root mean square? After that, I lost.
Okay.
The program codes. Jupyter course.
Okay, you want to see my program?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is mean square error, and this is mean absolute error. Again, you can print it, no problem.
Sir, আরেকটু ওপরে। Yes. Yes.
স্যার এখানে আমাদের মিন অ্যাবসলিউট এররটাও তো করতে হবে তাই তো?
Yes, I mean, whichever is showing you less error, that you need to consider. Because mean absolute error is also means actual error, and RMSE, that means root mean square error, is also you are doing just squaring it up and again square root, again doing square root, right? So the thing is, MAE or mean absolute error is exact error, and for root mean square error you are doing just root over of 2 square. That means 2, right?
So
Yes,
4.
sir.
Root over of 2 square.
The 4, sir.
About 4?
Root over of 2.
Sir.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Sir. The previous one's a -2. Okay, okay. Sorry, sir. The 2, sir.
You seriously have some problem with these.
স্যার ওকে মেইন অ্যাবসলিউট এররটা বার করেছে, এবার একটু নিচের দিকে অল্প।
Actually, here I have done in two ways. One with converting your extrain and extest into standardized form. Other one just using as it is.
Sir, can you scroll up a bit?
This one.
Yes, sir, yes.
Orpon,
Yes, sir.
you sure your extrain and extest they don't have capital X?
No, sir.
Okay.
স্যার একটু স্ক্রল ডাউন করবেন। স্যার আরেকটু
স্যার
আগে।
আমার একটু কিছু প্রবলেম
ব্যাস।
হচ্ছে, একটু দেখুন লাস্ট ওই কোডটা।
Okay. I'm going to download this editor.
স্যার হয়ে গেছে, ওটা রি-এক্সিকিউট করলাম আইলক ফাংশনের কাছ থেকে, তো হয়ে গেছে ঠিক।
I'm going to download this editor. Whoever is getting problem, they can refer to it. Okay. I'm going to send it after downloading.
Okay, sir.
Now it's time to see. Um, we have X test like this.
Sir,
Yeah.
say I am getting X test value in array format.
Test value in array format.
Yes, sir.
That means you converted that into array then.
No, sir, I have not done it, sir. But why I'm
Sir,
getting it?
I am also getting it in array format.
Fine, you are not receiving any error, right? Hmm?
No, sir.
No, no, sir, not receiving any error, but getting in array format. Also, Y prayed. That one also in array format.
Yeah. Vibrate mine also array format.
Yes, sir.
স্যার এক্স টেস্ট ডট হেডে ওটাতে স্যার টু যখন লিখলাম বলছে নাম্পি এনডি
Yeah.
অ্যারে অবজেক্ট হ্যাজ নো অ্যাট্রিবিউট হেড।
You have numpy array X test. That is why.
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
You have numpy array.
নাম্পাই, ইয়েস স্যার।
X test you converted into numpy array. Maybe all of you have done numpy array. That is not a problem, but you guys have done that one. That's
Sir, the code block where we were finding the values for RMSE and MAE, there we did import numpy as NP. So can that
yes,
be the reason?
yes, yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
sir, if I remove import numpy as NP, so I
No,
won't be.
no,
Oh,
no.
I
You just only you have done only that importing, right?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Only a single line that numpy as a
You have
NP.
not used that np array, np dot array anywhere.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine. I'll send this code, okay, after this class.
Sir, I have sent you a screenshot of the error that I'm getting.
think you did one thing wrong. Hello?
Yes, sir.
We did one thing wrong.
So which one?
We did not consider these in X.
In A equal to when we are finding the present price and kilometers driven. So what will be the output? Because we are only giving the
Yeah. One second. Just, just let me fix this code. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. 1 to 11. And this is 0. Fine. All of you change your code while defining the X. df1.ilog 1 to 11.
using numpy is giving the value in array.
Using numpy, yeah.
sir, I'm still getting an error.
Still getting an error.
Yes, sir. I did send you the screenshot.
Okay. As of now, you guys have understood the thing, right?
মেবি মডেলটা ডবল এল হবে, কারণ কি লাস্ট যেবারে আপনি ডিফাইন করলেন ডবল এল করেছিলেন।
Double. Okay. Model 1.
মেবি ওই মডেল 1।
Okay. So if we do this one, so price, yeah, transmission. Zero. Nine. Seven. Kilometers flowing 10,000 first one garage 5 the diesel 0 petrol 1 dealer 0 individual 1 limited 1 0 oh Okay, this one I'm going to send you. Prediction means how you can create your own array and you can predict by your array. That thing actually is taking much more time. Definitely find some solution.
লজিকটা বুঝিয়ে দিতে
প্রজেক্টটা এটাই হচ্ছে যে তোমাদের প্রাইস প্রেডিক্ট করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? Based on these parameters you have to predict your price.
Sir, can you scroll down once? তো লাস্টে প্রিন্ট এটা কি মানে কি শো করছে ওটা?
প্রিন্টে ভ্যালু শো করছে এখানে।
ওকে, ও আচ্ছা, ওকে।
So I have given 5 here, 5 into e to the power 0, that means 5. I have given 10 here, 10 into e to the power 1, that means 10. 1 into e to the power 4, that means 10,000. Here 1, 5. Okay, this is the total array.
স্যার আজ এতটা অবধি তো?
হ্যাঁ, আমি এটাকে একটু ভালো করে তোমাদের আমি সেন্ড করছি পুরো এডিটে।
ওকে স্যার।
প্রজেক্টটা বোঝা গেছে তো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
আর হাউ টু
স্যার প্রজেক্টটা এটাই তো স্যার, মানে এটার উপরেই তো?
Yes, I'm going to send another dataset. All are regarding this car price prediction. Okay, whichever
Okay.
dataset you feel okay, you can perform the code. Okay.
Sir, about the PPT, what do we need to do? Like there we have to define the objective and everything.
Objective is to here the vehicle dataset actually. This dataset is from Kaggle. This is
Okay,
car
sir.
dekho dataset. Okay.
Okay.
Dataset from car dekho. So here the purpose of that company is to sell used cars. Okay. So while selling, you have to predict or you have to actually put some price, right? While selling it. So how to predict that price? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Based on some features like kilometers driven, how much it is old, and how many owners, or what are the petrol or diesel, transmission type. Based on those features, you can decide how much it should have selling price.
Sir, and how do we determine whether that prediction is accurate or not?
Yes, that is why I printed that MAE. Where is it? Up there somewhere. MAE. So this is 1.16, right?
Yes, sir.
From your data dot describe, you are getting mean value for selling price as 4.66. Now count how much percentage? 1.16 is how much percentage of 4.66? Around 34%, right?
Yes, sir.
34%. 34% you have error. That means you have 66% correction. I mean, correct. So with this data set, this is actually you can achieve this much accuracy.
So do we need to like do this entire thing on a different data set to improve the accuracy, or like we can just go along with this one?
To improve accuracy, what you can do, just don't know till now correlation. I could have told you, but right now you don't have any option to increase the accuracy. Still, this is good accuracy, 66%.
Okay, sir.
This is good accuracy.
So for the last part, that A is equal to dict on that the present price equal to float input enter present price. On that part, what you have done, enter present price or enters selling price in the input column.
Yeah, this one actually I was trying to create one array, one numpy array, and I was going to predict based on that array.
Or sir, we just here the entering the value of I at 10, 17, 18, and how to find which value that we have to give.
That is what I was doing. Str of input just value space plus plus now enter value present price you can have like 10 kilometers driven 10,000. Enter value of owner, let's take only one owner. Enter value age let's say 5. Fuel type, it's not diesel so 0. Petrol 1. It's not by the seller type is not dealer 0. Individual 1. It's automatic manual 0. Now you can print your array just after this. Okay.
So regarding the PPT, we can start filling the details by ourselves, right?
Yes.
And if there is some problem, then we can contact you.
Sure.
Like suppose
Anytime.
for objective, or like there were some other parts like that, objective, future scope,
Sure.
these things. For
Sure.
that, I think we would
In the
need your
future
reference.
scope, you can mention that I we can use some other machine learning algorithm to increase the accuracy score or some other pre-processing to increase the score or the accuracy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That will be your future score.
So here array 1 into e to the power 0 1 plus 0 1 or 1, that
E to the
part.
power 1 means what?
Exponential.
E to the power
That one
1
is the
means
10.
10.
10.
Yes. So this is 10.
10 to the 10.
Okay, okay.
1 into e to the
10,000.
power 4 means 10,000.
1000.
1 into e to the power 0 means 1. 5
1.
into e to the power 0 means 5.
Right.
Right? Like this.
Sir, sir,
Okay.
can you scroll little bit?
Where?
Sir, A equal to NP array a block term. স্যার এই ব্লকটা রান করলে কিছু হচ্ছে না, মানে ইনপুট স্টার্ট দেখাচ্ছে।
Yeah. Who was saying something? Sorry, I was on the call.
Sir, actually, sir, in this block, uh, while executing the input is showing a star and the output is not generated.
Input is showing you start.
Sir, here is written 226. In the braces, it is showing star, and the result is not generated, and it is going to the next step.
Still not getting. Okay, this part I'll send you after some time. Okay, how to predict. Up to this one are okay.
মেবি এটা মডেল 1.predict হবে কি?
No, no model. I have model. I have model here. Here I have model.
ওকে,
Okay, fine guys. Ending this session.
ওকে
If you guys have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt, I can clear it. And after this, after sometimes I'll send the last part, the prediction.
স্যার বলছি আমাদের স্লাইডে একটা পয়েন্ট আছে ফিউচার স্কোপ বলে, তো এই প্রজেক্টটার কোনো ফিউচার স্কোপ যদি একটু বলতেন।
I told you that you can increase the accuracy by using some other machine learning algorithm or by some other pre-processing techniques.
Okay, sir.
There are plenty of regression algorithms, so we can use them.
স্যার
Yes.
স্যার আমি একটা স্যার এসএস সেন্ড করছি, আমি না দুটো ভ্যালু দেওয়ার পর আমার আর ভ্যালু নিচ্ছে না, এন্টার ভ্যালুজ এর পর আর নিচ্ছে না আমার। তো আমি একটু সেন্ড করছি, একটু দেখবেন স্যার।
এই কোডটা দেখো, দিয়ে মেলাও।
স্যার বলছি যে ওই এর অ্যারেটার পর থেকে আপনি সেন্ড করবেন?
What? Yes, yes. The model has been built successfully, right? See carefully. I mentioned a equal to np dot array outside of for loop.
ইয়েস
Correct?
স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার। Now it's okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So fine. Should I end this session or any other doubt?
স্যার আমার একটা ডাউট আগের দিনের উপর ছিল। আগের দিনে মাল্টিলিনিয়ার যে করেছিলাম মাল্টিপেলের উপর লিনিয়ার রিগ্রেশনে, সেখানে আমার B1 অনেকগুলো ভ্যালু আসছিল মাইনাসে করে। আপনাকে আমি সেন্ডও
B1,
করি।
B1, yeah, you will receive many values
ইয়েস স্যার।
because it is multiple linear regression.
মেবি
ওকে স্যার।
4টে ভ্যালু পাচ্ছিলি।
হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ,
But
মাইনাস
B,
ওয়ান।
It can be -1, it can be +1, anything. It may be.
yes, and
আচ্ছা,
B0 is one value, 120, 425 dot something.
ইয়েস স্যার। হুম হুম। কিন্তু স্যার তার জন্য যখন আমি প্লটটা করছি না, স্ক্যাটার প্লট বা প্লট ওটা করছি, ওইটা আমাকে নিচ্ছিল না। ওইখানে কি বলছে, এক্স এন্ড ওয়াই মাস্ট বি দ্য সেম সাইজ, এরকম করে একটা এরর দেখাচ্ছিল। ওই ওই পার্সেন্টে শুধু হয়নি, বাকি সবটা তাও হচ্ছে, ওই জায়গাটা আটকে যাচ্ছে।
All right. I think you have sent the screenshot, right?
ইয়েস স্যার, আমি আরেকবার তাহলে সেন্ড করে দিচ্ছি আপনাকে ওই জায়গাটা।
Okay, guys. So I'm ending this session.
Thank you, sir. Happy Holi in advance.
Happy Holi to all of you. Just enjoy. And yeah, I'll send the rest of the part. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.